Hey guys, Chris from Florida Drone Supply here. And if you've recently became the owner of a DJI M30 series drone, we are so excited for you. From setup to safety checks, we have you covered. So let's jump right into what you need to know before you fly with the DJI Matrice 30 series. First things first, let's get this beast out of the case. As you can see here, it comes housed in a hard case made by DJI, so go ahead and open the case. Carefully remove it from the case and unfold its legs, making sure to lock them into place. You will notice that the propellers come pre-installed, so now take a moment to inspect the drone for any visible damage or loose parts. It is crucial to ensure everything is in top condition before you start flying. Activating and charging the remote controller. Next, let's start with activating your remote controller, and to do this, connect the BS30 intelligent battery station, which is built into its own DJI hard case, into an outlet with the AC adapter. Then connect the remote controller to the battery station using a USB-C to USB-C cable. The battery LEDs will start to flash, indicating that the remote's internal battery is now activated. After about 2 hours, the remote controller should be fully charged. Once your remote is fully charged, completing activation is as simple as powering on the controller for the first time. Charging the TB30 batteries. Now that the controller is activated and charging, let's get your TB30 batteries in your charging station and press the power button once to turn it on. Various charging modes are available to use depending on your upcoming mission. And once your batteries are fully charged, go ahead and install 2 into the aircraft. Place 1 battery in at a time and make sure that the orange latch is secured to the lock position. Now that your batteries are installed, go ahead and power on your aircraft by pressing the power button once, then press again and hold until the lights and sound indicate powering on. After preparing the battery station and charging the batteries, let's move on to preparing your RC Plus controller. Unfold the antennas and power it on by pressing the power button once, then press and hold until the controller screen powers on. Your controller should come paired, but if it's not, ensure that it is connected to your M30. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the controller's layout. Once the DJI app loads, finish your on-screen prompts, then wait to see if any updates are pending. We recommend updating your drone when prompted and batteries are fully charged. Adjust the direction of the external RC antennas to make sure that they are facing the aircraft for optimal transmission. If your transmission signal is weak, a prompt will appear in the DJI Pilot 2 app, so simply adjust as needed to clear this prompt. Once your GPS has indicated a connection, that means your remote is set up properly, and your next step is to prepare the aircraft for your first flight. For more info about the DJI Matrice 30 and 30T, go ahead and click in the link in the description below, and if you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or visit us online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.